Welcome. Today, we're taking a look at everything your team can do with the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's go. Life moves fast and business moves even faster, but rest assured the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has the next level speed and power your team needs to keep up with ever-changing business demands. A key feature of the phone is the ability to work seamlessly between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and a computer. Using Samsung DeX, you can drag and drop files back and forth between the device and a compatible PC or Mac. Your employees will enjoy the freedom to make edits and work directly from their phone. When connected by USB, they can also make changes right from their computer. The included intelligent S Pen is amazingly responsive and allows your employees to jot down quick notes and have them easily and instantly convert into text. And the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus features the largest battery yet, with intelligent battery design that recognizes the user's mobile habits and adjusts on the fly to ensure all-day battery reliability in crunch time. Plus, your team can do their work at ease, knowing all business activity is secure thanks to the built-in security features designed to protect sensitive materials from cyber attacks. Visit rogers.com/Samsung for Biz to experience the next level power of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus.